Have you ever wondered what spirituality really means? Is it about religion, meditation, or perhaps something much deeper? This is the only video you'll need to understand spirituality. Let's break it down in the simplest way possible. 1. What is spirituality? Spirituality is not a set of rules or beliefs. It's not limited to temples, churches, or rituals. At its core, spirituality is about connecting with yourself and the world around you. It's the journey of understanding who you are beyond the surface. Think of it as a path to discovering your inner peace and purpose. 2. Spirituality versus religion. A lot of people confuse spirituality with religion. While religion often involves organized beliefs and practices, spirituality is more personal. You don't have to follow any particular faith to be spiritual. It's about finding what resonates with your soul, whether through meditation, nature, helping others, or even moments of silence. In short, religion is like a map, while spirituality is the journey. 3. Why does spirituality matter? In a world full of distractions, spirituality helps you pause and reflect. It brings clarity to your thoughts and feelings. Feeling stressed? Spirituality teaches mindfulness and acceptance. Lacking purpose? It helps you uncover what truly brings you joy. Struggling with relationships? It nurtures empathy and understanding. When you're spiritually aligned, life becomes more meaningful. You start noticing the beauty in simple moments. 4. How can you start your spiritual journey? Starting is simpler than you think. You don't need to climb a mountain or spend hours meditating. Here are a few ways to begin. Practice mindfulness. Be fully present in whatever you do. Connect with nature. Take a walk, breathe deeply, and observe. Reflect. Journaling your thoughts can bring clarity. Practice gratitude. A thankful heart brings inner peace. Meditate. Even 5 minutes of silence can calm your mind. Remember, spirituality is not about perfection. It's about progress and self-awareness. 5. Final thoughts. At its heart, spirituality is a gentle reminder. You are more than your thoughts, fears, or labels. It's about finding peace within yourself and appreciating the world around you. So, take a step today. Reflect, breathe, and embrace the journey. Because spirituality isn't a destination, it's a way of being. If this video brought you a little clarity or a spark of curiosity, why not explore further? Comment below, what does spirituality mean to you? Like this video to spread positivity. Subscribe to join our community of seekers and explorers. Your spiritual journey starts now, and we're here to walk it with you. Thank you for watching.